Hi, I'm Julie Miller from My Florida Dreams, 574-276-2067. Today we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single wide in Ellenton, Florida, in Colony Cove. This is the master bedroom. This house is turnkey, so the furniture is included. Nice and bright in here. This is the main bathroom, the walk-in shower. We have plenty of storage in here. Nice big closet. We have storage right in the hallway here. Come out into the kitchen where we have nice wooden cabinets. We have a new stainless steel microwave. It's a dishwasher. You have to look at this spice rack. So we have plenty of storage in here. Into the living room. And a nice big family room, lanai area, nice and bright. Ceiling fans. The carpet's in really decent shape. Got a wood beam look on the ceiling. Into the second bedroom. Has a nice big closet and a private bath with a step-in shower. My name is Julie Miller, 574-276-2067. Give us a call and let's make this your Florida dream come true.